So there was a question I had about adding different kinds of shapes, like maybe stars, like designs like stars, or maybe flower shapes. Flower shapes are more organic usually, but a star can be achieved fairly easily. I'm going to do an inscribed polygon over here on the side somewhere. I want it to be like that big maybe. And I can change what size. Like let's make it a 5-pointed star. So we can do a 5. There we go. That kind of like that. I want to make sure I dimension it. Let me move this guy and constrain the center point to the origin. There we go. Then let's move this and change the size of it. I want it to be. Let's make this guy smaller. I'm going to dimension him to be a 1/4 inch. There we go. And I want, let's see, for the point to be on top. If I'm doing, this is just the way I'm doing it. Like, this is not necessarily the only way to do this. I'm going to make this guy horizontal. There we go. All right, my sketch is not done. I'm going to take this and I'm going to just try to continue up to here and continue to there. And let's see if I can't continue this to kind of match up to here. Ooh, I don't know. Ooh, that one's not constrained to it. Undo that last one I made. I may have to start all my line segments like directly on here because I think it automatically will constrain it to be collinear to a point. There you go. If you see it, you see that it's got those dotted lines. There we go. Go up to there. There we go. Can I snip this part here? I probably can. I just don't know how to. Anyways, this is how I would do it if I had to make a 5-pointed star. I would go about like starting with a pentagon and go and making all the points around it. You could also do this. Let's see. I'm gonna make a whole new one. I don't need that center pentagon. I could always just go. Let's see. There's 10. All right. Let's show constraints on this guy. This one's already horizontal. Let's make that one horizontal. There we go. Let's make them all equal in length. I'm getting some weird noises. I don't know why. Let me make a vertical line real quick here. No, not there. Let's make it drop down straight from here. Make it vertical. There we go. Now I can use that as a construction line if I want to. So I can do things like make all these sides equal to this one. I'm going to have every single side equal to that one. I don't know if this is going the way I need it to. Let's find out. I feel like I've missed some sides. This guy? There we go. Yeah, that's not bad. So I've got equal there, equal there, equal there, equal there, equal there. Ooh, I got that one recently. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equals. Okay, everything's equal that needs to be. Let's do some symmetrical as well and make sure this guy and that guy are symmetrical across this middle line. There we go. And you know what? I think that might have done it. You could also think about what is the internal angle right here. All of these little angles. What are they going to be? I don't know. I think I got it. Let me do a measurement and see what it is. Let's do a dimension from here to here. 110 degrees. Does that seem right? Maybe from here to here. Is that also going to be 110? Yes, it is. Does that mean you guys are 110? Nope, but I can make you 110. Alright. Does that mean that you guys can be... let's do that. I don't think that's going to be quite right. Maybe it will. Oops. Nope, that didn't work quite right. Anyways, I don't know exactly how to go about making a perfect star. But I would mess around with the geometry of it for a little while. One thing I could do is say geometry of 5-pointed star. There we go. And there's some pictures. Pentagram angles. Oh, it's 50. 108. There's a 108. 108, 36, 72. That is one possibility. So you can go around and say, look, I'm going to make it by the angles. I'm going to make it by the distances. I could say I know exactly how long I want this side to be. I want it to be 0.25, quarter inch. Then go around and say, okay, these are not going to be 110s. Let's do 108 on them. 108. Ooh, that's fancy. Let's undo. Let's delete some of these unnecessary extra ones. Oh wow, that's so cool. Undo. Undo that one. Let's see, symmetric. Can I make, it might just be best now just to make, oh, let's undo the symmetry one. Maybe the symmetry one is what's bothering this. Let's get rid of this, this line here that I made. I don't need that necessarily. All right. Now let's make the angle here. I do 36. There we go. Let's do the same thing with all of these angles. And that's 38. That'd be a 36. Would be better. Yep. Does that mean that you guys are going to be, nope, 36? Oh, no. I don't need that there. Thank you. So yeah, there's a lot of ways probably to do this, and I might be going about it the most difficult way possible because I'm like, I know geometry and I can Google the geometry as necessary. 108 degrees. Oh, now it's over constrained. Ha! That's funny. Okay. So I'm curious, what can I still move around then? Oh, I can move it left to right. Can I move it up and down? Maybe. Well, let's do this. Let's fix it down a certain distance from the origin. Let's dimension U. To be 0.9. There we go. Now it's fully constrained. Get rid of the constraint. There we go. Don't show them. Hey, it's a star. Cool. If we do an extrude, we can make, oops, that's very large compared to. There we go. How cool is that? Made a star. Flower, I'd probably do a similar thing for a flower. I'd make a bunch of circles or ovals to make the petals around a circle in the center and just dimension it and use geometric like angles and stuff. But you don't have to go through all that trouble. There might be tutorials out there of how to make a flower. How to make a flower in Onshape. Let's see what it tells me. Circular patterns, which is actually how I probably would do the petals. So you can make a pattern where things go around in a circle. Ooh, spiral vase. Oh, look at this. CloudCAD to teach high school students. Thank you. Don't need that. Yeah. Here's something about circular patterns. It actually doesn't show a whole lot. Huh. Never mind. Circular pattern looks like that. Okay. Cool. Alright, let me try a new sketch. I'm gonna make a little circle, like for the center of a flower, about a 1/4 inch. Alright. And then let's do maybe there's circular patterns. Underneath the patterns, look, you can do circular pattern around the pattern in a circle. That's so cool. So let's make, first of all, let me do this. Let me make an ellipse. How about an ellipse? I'll center it there, and I'll click down on that, and then there we go. I don't know what size to make it. Oh well. let's do a circular pattern and see how we can use a circular pattern. So if I'm going to do a circular pattern, I'm going to click on the thing I want to pattern. I guess I want the center to be right there. And I want it to be 3 times around this center. Oh no, I've made the center around the origin. That's interesting. Maybe I'd have to have something at the origin to do that. Alright, well hold on. Let me do that then. Let me move you down to there. Move you down. Closer. And we probably want like 5 petals. And we might want to then edit the end point of this guy to be, oh look, that would be cute perhaps. And if I were to maybe, no, I want to hide this extrude right here for now, or suppress it. There we go. Oh, extrude, suppress, extrude, suppress. Okay, and hide the sketch, and hide that sketch. For now, there we go. Can I not hide this? There it goes. Now maybe, and maybe hide this guy too. Suppress. Hide. Suppress. There we go. Okay, now all I've got is this one here. And let's say I want to do an extrude for this guy. I gotta pick my, why can't I see sketch 4? Why is that hidden? That's so weird. Unhide. Okay, extrude him. I gotta pick all the little faces, otherwise it's gonna be like, it's gonna have gaps and holes and stuff. And just so y'all know, there are much more, there are probably much more pretty and fancy ways that you can make flowers look like flowers, but that's just one of them. And that's how I would do it, at least starting out, unless I could like maybe look and see if other people in Onshape had made a flower pattern and how it looked and if it was something that I want to use or not. It might be a case where maybe I'd try to, can I fillet rounded edges? Let's find out so that you guys can see as well. Oh no, it's got an error already. Failed to fillet sections. Nope. So what it might be... it's not bad. If I were to print that out, it'd be kind of cute. I maybe put a hole in the middle of it and have it hang on something like it, maybe make some beads that look like flowers. That'd be kind of cool. Anyways, I am going to stop what I'm messing around with. I am done messing around. I'm gonna, yeah, it's been a while. Y'all have a good one, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye.